For ways in which ICE can track you, let me break it down in 4 simple ways. You did not know? Subscribe and follow me for more tips and ways to avoid ICE raids. ICE primarily identifies individuals for deportation based on their immigration status and any criminal history, often using databases and information gathered from law enforcement agencies and their own investigations. They also conduct their own investigations, which can include surveillance and data analysis. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Immigration status. Undocumented immigrants. Individuals who are in the U.S. without legal permission are subject to deportation. Visa violations. Those who have violated the terms of their visas, such as overstaying or working illegally, can also be targeted for deportation. 2. Criminal activity. Felonies and serious misdemeanors. Individuals convicted of serious crimes, including felonies and certain misdemeanors, are often prioritized for deportation. Gang affiliation. Individuals with ties to criminal gangs can also be targeted. 3. How ICE identifies individuals. Databases. ICE has access to various databases, including those of the Department of Motor Vehicles, the National Crime Information Center, and local law enforcement databases, which can flag individuals for potential deportation. Law enforcement collaboration. ICE works with local, state, and federal law enforcement agencies. When someone is arrested by other agencies, their information may be run through immigration databases, potentially leading to ICE involvement. Independent investigations. ICE conducts its own investigations, which can include surveillance, data analysis, and interviews with individuals and their contacts. 4. The deportation process. Detention. If ICE identifies an individual for deportation, they may be detained by ICE or transferred to ICE custody from other agencies. Notice to appear, NTA. If the individual is not already in removal proceedings, ICE will issue them a notice to appear before an immigration judge. Immigration court. The individual will have a hearing before an immigration judge, who will determine whether they should be deported. Expedited removal. In some cases, individuals who have been in the U.S. for less than 2 years and who are found to be inadmissible can be deported without a hearing. Removal order. If the judge rules that the individual should be deported, ICE is responsible for carrying out the removal order.